Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2021. This is question number 16 of paper 2. This is actually second question of the paragraph. Okay, and they are asking based on the information given to Shy1x, Shy2x, Fx and Gx, which of the option among this A, B, C, D are correct. So let us start with A only. Here, if I differentiate Psi1x function, Psi1 dash will be equal to 1 minus e power minus x. And because x is greater than 0, this will be greater than or equal to 0. So I can say Psi1 x function should be increasing. And because Psi1 0 is equal to 1 here, so all values of this function Psi1 x should be greater than or equal to 1. Whereas in this option they have given it opposite, so A is wrong. Now coming to B option. If I differentiate Psi2 function also, it becomes equal to 2 times Psi1x minus 1. We have done it in previous part also. Now because Psi1x is greater than or equal to 1, so this will be positive. Hence Psi2 function is also increasing. Now I can write Psi2 0 as 0. So Psi2 x function should be greater than or equal to 0 for all values of x that is greater than 0. So once again this B option is wrong. Now to do C part, fx which is equal to 2 times 0 to x t minus t square into e power minus t square. I can write it in two parts, 0 to x 2t e power minus t square dt and minus 0 to x to t square e power minus t square dt. Okay, now this first part is directly integrable. We can write this as e power minus t square with minus sign outside, limit 0 to x. And here this is not integrable, but we can try to integrate it by using the limits by doing the expansion of e power minus t square. Now to do this, we can write this as integral of 0 to x to t square 1 minus t square upon 1 factorial plus t power 4 upon 2 factorial and so on and so on. Okay. Now here if you see what they have given, I think the first term, if I put 0 to x limit here, 1 minus e power minus x square we are getting directly. Okay, now you can see this term minus 2 by 3 x cube we will obtain if we integrate 2t square into 1. Okay, it is very easy to see because it will be 2 by 3 t cube and putting limit 0 to x, this can be obtained. Then if we integrate 2t power 4, we will get this also. Okay, which means they have ignored all these terms after this. And ignoring them, please understand, there is a minus sign. Okay, so if we are ignoring them, please understand this would have been fx less than or equal to 1 minus e power minus x square minus 2 upon 3 x cube plus 2 upon 5 x power 5. Because all those terms will be subtracting from this, so value of fx will be actually lesser than what is given in the C option. So C option also seems to be wrong only. Now similar to this, I think G part can also be done. Please see for D part, first of all I will be putting t as u square as I did in the other part of this paragraph also. So it will be 0 to x and this t after doing the substitution it will become 2u square e power minus u square du. Okay. Now this cannot be integrated. So once again I will be doing expansion only. So 2u square into 1 minus u square upon 1 factorial plus u power 4 upon 2 factorial and so on minus and so on and so on. Now you can check if we start doing the integration, this 2 upon 3 x cube will come after the integration of 2u square into 1. Similarly, this 2 upon 5 into x power 5 will come when we integrate 2u power 4. And similarly, this 1 upon 7 x power 7 will obtained when we will integrate this 2u square into u power 4 upon 2. Okay, and remaining terms are with minus sign, so they are all ignored. Okay, so once again, the value of gx has to be less than or equal to 2 upon 3 x cube minus 2 upon 5 x power 5 plus x power 7 upon 7, because we are ignoring some things, some of the terms which will actually be reducing the value of this expression given in D option on the right hand side. So gx will actually be lesser than that. So the correct answer for this option for this question is D only. Okay, so this completes the solution for this question. Thank you so much.